To change default search engine in Microsoft Edge browser on Windows, click three dots on top right corner of screen. Then Settings, Privacy, Search and Services, and then Services on bottom of this page. Address bar and search, and then Manage Search Engine. Choose any option such as Google, Yahoo or Bing. But how to add any other website such as YouTube, Vimeo, Walmart or Google Translate as default search engine? Open search engine page in Microsoft Edge settings. Click Add button. In the pop-up window, type YouTube next to the search engine option. Here type any unique, short and easy letters. For example, Dozero next to the shortcut option. In this field, type or paste proper search URL of the website. If you don't know, open YouTube website, perform a search query such as hi, then copy the URL from the address bar, paste it here and then replace hi with %s. Now let's test the shortcut. I will enter my shortcut text Dozero and then press tab key on keyboard, and browser will replace Bing search with YouTube search in the address bar. Now type any search term in the browser address bar to perform direct search in YouTube. Here I have shown the search URLs of some popular websites. Check description of this video to copy them. Learn more Microsoft Edge tips in next videos.